Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss multi-level enumeration. So we would like to write a program that declares multi-level enumeration and print some of their values. So multi-level enumeration means an enumeration with hierarchical levels using enum within enum for categorization. Here I'm having three enumeration. The first one is transport. We're having land transport and water transport. And the land transport is assigned the number 1 and water transport is assigned number 2. Then we are having land transport enum here that is consisting of car, bicycle, and train. And then we are having enum water transport. We're having boat and ship. And each of them are assigned numbers. So instead of remembering these numbers or these codes, for example, in our company, we are giving them meaningful names to be easy, so it would be easy to work with them. Instead of remembering to write down 102 means bicycle of the land transport enu, we simply write down bicycle, so we remember we're talking about bicycle in the code instead of decoding. Okay, if it is written 102, it means that we're talking about bicycle. If it is written 202, it means that we're talking about ship. So it is easier to deal with the names in the code so we can improve their readability. And then I'm declaring two new variables. The first one is called travel mode, and it's of transport type, so it is from the first enu. And then I'm assigning land to this variable. Then I'm having another variable called vehicle of land transport type, and it is assigned the car. Then I'm simply printing out these two variables. So I'm saying travel mode, I'm printing out the travel mode, and then land transport type, I'm just printing out vehicle. So let me run and see. So here we see that the travel mode equals 1. So the 1 is printed. So 1 was assigned to land here. And then land was assigned to this travel mode. This is why when we are printing out the travel mode, it is printing out 1. Then we are having land transport type, which is a 101. So land transport type, car is assigned to vehicle, and the code for car was 101. So this is why we're seeing 101 here. So instead of writing down basically 101 or 1 in the code, we are writing down land and car, which are meaningful names. So it improves the readability of the code for us. Thank you for watching.